For this Fiore Midi dress tutorial, start by assembling the pattern pieces. Fold the piece of fabric in half. Copy the front bodice piece along the folded edge. Also, copy the two back bodice pieces and two puff sleeve pieces. Fold another piece of fabric in half, pin to secure, and copy the front center dress piece along the folded edge and two side dress pieces. Lastly, cut two back side dress pieces and two back center dress pieces. You will also need a piece of 1-inch wide bias cut binding strips for the neckline and back opening of the dress. To close the bust dart on the front bodice piece, locate the position of the dart on the pattern piece. Line up the dart on the fabric and mark with chalk. Fold the fabric along the marking, pin to secure, and close the bust dart. Copy the bust dart onto the other side of the front bodice piece. To attach the front bodice piece to the back bodice, join the pieces with the right sides facing together. Sew both shoulder seams and side seams. To make the puff sleeves, overlock or zigzag stitch along the underarm hole opening. Then, fold the stitch over and top stitch for a clean edge. To add shirring to the puff sleeve, use a wide stitch width and sew along the top edge of both sleeves. Pull on the back thread to bunch the fabric. join the underarm seam of both poof sleeves. To attach the poof sleeves to the bodice, pin with the right sides facing together then sew around the underarm hole. To make the front of the dress, join one front side piece to the front center piece with the right sides facing together. To make a side slit, overlock or zigzag stitch along the edge of the other front side dress piece. Lay the front side piece on top of the front center piece with the right sides facing together. Measure 20 inches up from the bottom opening and mark with fabric chalk. Join the seam from the marking up towards the waistline. Fold the stitch over and top stitch for a clean finish around the side slit opening. To make the back of the dress, join one back side piece to one back center piece with the right sides facing together. Do the same for the opposite side. To attach the zipper to the back of the dress, open the zipper and join the placket tape to the center back opening, starting at the waistline on both sides. To complete the back of the dress, close the bottom of the center back opening. To attach the front dress piece to the back dress piece, overlock stitch the side seams with the right sides facing together. To attach the top bodice to the dress bottom, overlock stitch the waistline seam with the right sides facing together. To hem the dress, overlock stitch around the hem opening, fold the hemline, and then top stitch the hem. To complete the neckline, join the in-binding to the neck opening with the right sides facing together. Straight stitch along the edge. Then open the seam and top stitch along the seam line. Fold the in-binding over the edge, 1/4 inch fold the raw edge, and top stitch to finish the other side of the neckline. To complete the back opening, join the in-binding to all sides of the center back opening with the right sides facing together. To make the buttons, use a button cover with a small piece of fabric. To make the button closure, use a 1-inch wide strap, fold the strap in half lengthwise, and close the side. Use a loop turner to flip the strap inside out. Cut 3 separate 2-inch long pieces of the strap. Pin to secure, and then straight stitch to attach the button closure to the back opening of the dress. To add buttons to the back opening, line up the buttonhole closures on the opposite side of the back opening. Hand sew the buttons in place to finish this Fiore Midi dress.